Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here. If you're looking to sell on Amazon in Australia and you're looking for ideas, maybe you're like, the biggest thing holding you back is I just don't know what product to sell, right? You can't jump on Alibaba just yet. You can't find good products if you don't know what you're selling, right? So it's very important to do your research. More people spend more time planning the trip to Kuta in Bali than they do on their business. So it's very important that you do your product research. So as you can see, I'm on Amazon right here, and now I'm just looking at general baby products, right? So nothing special here. I'm looking at general baby products. Now it's very important though, guys, you've got to do your research. Now I'm going to show you a tool that you can use, and it's a tool that will enable you to narrow down your product faster. So let's say, for example, I was interested in the baby niche. I would click baby, and I wanted to sell something from 20 bucks to $100. That was a price range, right? I wanted to make sure it had no more than 300 reviews. I wanted to make sure it's doing minimum 5K a month, okay? I don't want any more than 10 sellers in this product, and I don't want it to weigh more than a kilo. A quick search. Now this will give me product ideas, all right? So this is how easy it is. Now, of course, you've got to do your research on top of this, right? But this is more than the majority of people selling on Amazon in Australia or even the US are doing, right? So you've got to do your research. Otherwise, it's like playing darts in the pub in the dark, and it's dangerous. You're going to hit someone, you're going to hurt yourself, all right? You potentially will lose money if you don't know what you're doing, all right? So we're just waiting for this to load. As you can sort of see here, we're going to see some results any second now. And guys, stay away, especially if you're just getting started. You want to stay away from electronics. Anything to do with electronics, USB sticks, Bluetooth devices, that kind of stuff, all right? So we're scrolling down here. So it's going to start giving us some as you can sort of see, some results, all right? So you've got here, car back headset, coat hanger, multi-purpose baby product, 64 bucks. It weighs 800 grams, only 2 sellers. It's got 3 reviews. It's doing 5K a month, right? You've got a breast pump bag. You've got a vent nipplet. I have no idea what that is. You've got an expression bustier, right? You've got a bag. You've got baby clothing. You've got all this other. See, it's giving you so many different product ideas here. And this is from a point where, like 5 minutes ago, you really had no product idea, right? You just weren't interested in the baby niche. But now you've got all these different product ideas that are more calculated. So guys, if you're looking to get started on Amazon Australia, if you're based here in Australia and you're looking to sell even in the USA market, where I would say about 90% of my students are also doing, all right? So you can do both. You can do the USA market and then do Australia. But some people like, I don't want to sell in the Australian market because it's not big yet. There's not enough people using it. Guys, if you get in early, there's actually no minimum in stock that you need to hold. If you get in early, you'll beat the competitors later on. You want to be more established here. So do both. Do the USA market and the Australian market at the same time. If you want to learn more, check out my website, guys. The website link is below, and we've got a free training there. We do trainings on the Gold Coast and in Sydney, and I'm based in Sydney myself, but I travel quite a lot, and I meet students all around Australia. But guys, give us a call. If you want to get something started, give us a call, 02 8003 7534. The number's on the screen. Give us a call. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, and I wish you all the best on your Amazon journey. Bye-bye for now.